Today I'm working on this RX350. The driver's side mirror has a light that is completely busted. It's cracked here, all yellowed and completely non-functional. I'll replace it with this new part purchased online, link below. Follow along if you want to see how this is done. So I'll pop this mirror in this orientation and this glass should pop out, so I'm going to use some tools to pry it off. I was able to just use my fingers, in fact, and pull off this glass. It's clipped on to the rest of the assembly. I don't know yet if it's completely necessary, but we're going to remove some screws and see if we can disassemble this some more. From here I pried very carefully on a tab in this area, and then you can also simultaneously pry in this seam between the front housing and the rear housing on this mirror, and then continuing to pry carefully around the perimeter. This comes disassembled. This bottom puddle light pops out. It's just held in by some snaps, and then I found another screw that we're going to have to remove. And with that, our rear housing is loose, at least mechanically. Pry in this area to pop off your electrical connector, and you're completely free. Releasing a few more tabs with your pry tool, including this one, your light assembly pops out. We have a few more tabs to release, 1, 2, and 3, to remove the gray assembly from the chrome. When releasing those tabs, be careful not to break them. They snap easily, they're just plastic. And the old light is removed fully. We can reinstall our new light to this chrome. Simply squeeze these pieces together, the snaps lock everything in place, and now you have a brand new assembly to put back into your mirror. And now we simply snap and screw to reassemble. Pop this back in, and this as well. Snap in your puddle light down here. If your puddle light's not functional, now's your opportunity to replace it. Put in your screw here, and reassemble your front cover. Attach a few more screws. And snap on your mirror. These features 1, 2, 3, 4 mate with the features 1, 2, 3, 4. After a good wipe down, we can now test out our new light on our mirror. The light functions, it looks great, it's not cracked. A nice yellow color. The mirror still opens and closes very well. This project was successful. We replaced our old broken light with a new one rather cheaply and quickly, taking only maybe 20 minutes max. I hope this helps you with your project.